Past continuous shows an action, activity, or situation that was in progress at a particular time in the past. Let's learn how to use it in everyday English. Number 1. Action in progress at a specific time in the past. An action was happening at a particular moment in the past. Examples: at 11 p.m. I was preparing my lesson. She was reading a novel at midnight. Number 2. Background action in narratives. Past continuous describes the background scene, while simple past gives the main event. Examples: the rain was falling and we were hurrying home when the power went out. Kids were playing outside when the accident occurred. The rule to remember is that we use past continuous for the longer ongoing actions and simple past for the short completed event that happens during it. Number 3. Interrupted actions. A longer action was interrupted by a shorter action. Examples: he was writing an email when the internet stopped working. They were discussing the project when Adam entered. Number 4. Two actions happening simultaneously. Two actions were in progress at the same time. Examples: she was making tea while her brother was setting the table. I was checking the reports while my colleague was answering emails. They were playing basketball while others were cheering them. Number 5. Temporary situations in the past. The speaker sees the situation as temporary. Examples: he was living in London for a few months. You were staying at a guest house during the conference. Here we are using past continuous for a temporary situation in the past when we want to highlight that it lasted for a limited time and was not permanent. Number 6. Repeated annoying actions with always. Used to express irritation or criticism. She was always borrowing my books and forgetting to return them. He was constantly complaining about the weather. Number 7. Polite or tentative expressions. Past continuous makes requests or questions softer. Examples: she was wondering whether you had any advice. I was hoping you could explain this topic. Number 8. Future arrangements viewed from the past. A future plan seen from a point in the past. Examples: we were leaving for New York the following morning. She was meeting her clients on Friday. The key point that we need to remember is the past continuous here does not describe an action in progress. Instead, it describes a planned future arrangement as seen from a point in the past. Number 9. Gradual change or development. Something was changing over time. Examples: the city was becoming more crowded. Your confidence was growing day by day. Number 10. Unreal or imagined situations. Used to describe an imagined or subjective impression. Here, a subjective impression means what something feels or seems like to a person, even if it is not actually true. Examples: they felt as though someone was following them. It seemed as if the room was spinning. Number 11. Cause of a past situation. An earlier ongoing action explains a past condition. Examples: I was exhausted because I was preparing for my exams. She was smiling because she was talking to her friend. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.